Most drivers spend $200 for results that a $2 bottle of white vinegar can handle as well. Most car owners already have one sitting in the kitchen. Today, I'm revealing 15 vinegar tricks that save real money every single time you use them. Stick around because the very first one removes something from your windshield that commercial cleaners consistently fail to touch. Let's get into it. Number 15. Restore your wiper blades. Your wipers are squeaking, skipping, and smearing across the windshield like they have given up entirely. Most drivers head straight to the auto parts store and spend $50 or more on a new set without ever testing a cheaper fix first. Here is what is actually happening. Grease, pollen, and road film build up on the rubber blade over time. That layer prevents the edge from making clean contact with the glass. Soak a cloth in equal parts vinegar and water and run it firmly along the full length of the blade several times. The grime lifts off in seconds and the blade makes proper contact again. Your wipers can work like new the next time it rains. Shops love selling replacements for blades that just needed a 30-second wipe down. Number 14. Kill the mold hiding inside your AC vents. That musty, slightly sour smell hitting you every time you turn on the air conditioning is not just unpleasant, it is a warning sign. Mold and bacteria build up inside your AC system over time, and if left unchecked, it can clog drain lines and damage the evaporator core. That is a repair running into the hundreds of dollars. Most drivers crack a window and spray air freshener without ever addressing the source. Spray a vinegar and water solution directly into the air intake vents near the base of the windshield. Run the AC on high for about 10 minutes to flush the solution through the system. The vinegar kills mold spores on contact and neutralizes the odor at the source. A few cents of vinegar solves a problem that could otherwise talk you into an expensive repair quote. Number 13. Remove hard water spots before they etch your glass. Hard water spots are not just ugly, they are actively etching microscopic grooves into the surface of your glass. Every day they sit there untreated. Sprinklers, car washes, and rain that dries quickly under the sun all leave behind mineral residue that builds up layer after invisible layer. Left long enough, the etching goes too deep to buff out, and you're looking at a full windshield replacement that can run several $100s depending on the vehicle. Spray full-strength vinegar directly onto the spots. Let it sit undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes. Wipe with a microfiber cloth using small circular motions. The acid breaks down the deposits before they bond permanently. A 5-minute weekend task prevents an appointment you never planned for. Number 12. Save a battery that is not actually dead. That white crusty buildup on your battery terminals is corrosion slowly strangling the electrical connection. It is responsible for more dead battery calls and unnecessary tow trucks than almost anything else under the hood. And the frustrating part is the battery itself is usually fine. The connection is just being choked by the buildup. Plenty of perfectly good batteries get tossed out for no reason at all. Disconnect both terminals. Dip an old toothbrush into a small cup of vinegar and scrub until the metal shines. Rinse with clean water and dry completely before reconnecting. A brand new battery costs well over $100. 5 minutes with vinegar could save you from paying for a part you never needed. Number 11. Fix your cup holders before they become a repair bill. Nobody admits it, but your cup holders are basically a science experiment at this point. Spilled coffee and soda residue hardens over time into something tougher than concrete. In newer vehicles with automatic cup holder mechanisms, that buildup can jam the moving parts entirely. The repair quotes for that genuinely surprise people the first time they hear them. Soak a cloth in undiluted vinegar. Press it into the cup holder for about 5 minutes to loosen the residue. Then scrub with an old toothbrush until it lifts completely. The acid cuts through sugar and caffeine residue that plain soap and water bounce right off. It sounds minor until you realize how many people have paid a mechanic real money to fix a mechanism that just needed a proper clean. Number 10. Restore foggy headlights the right way. Yellowed foggy headlights are not just cosmetic. They cut your nighttime visibility by a significant margin, and that is a genuine safety issue. Most drivers pay $100 to $400 for restoration kits or new assemblies. Here is the myth that needs to die. Toothpaste does not restore headlights the way social media claims. It is too abrasive for the plastic coating and leaves behind microscopic scratches that fog right back within weeks. Nobody ever shows you the headlight a month later. Vinegar mixed with baking soda into a thick paste lifts the oxidation layer without damaging the protective coating underneath. Apply with a soft cloth in circular motions. Rinse and buff dry. The results last far longer than the toothpaste trick and cost almost nothing. Number 9. Stop rust before it eats through the panel. A tiny orange speck on your body panel looks harmless. The kind of thing you tell yourself you will deal with next weekend. Except next weekend never quite arrives. Once rust eats all the way through the metal, you are no longer talking about a touch-up job. You are talking about full panel replacement that can easily clear $1,000. Catch it early by soaking a cloth in vinegar and laying it over the affected spot for about an hour. Then scrub gently with fine steel wool. The acid breaks down the rust without harming the surrounding paint, the way harsher commercial chemicals sometimes can. Auto body shops confirm that the vast majority of rust repairs they see every week could have been prevented entirely if the owner had treated it the moment it first appeared. Number 8. Remove the stain that is quietly tanking your resale value. That stubborn carpet stain in the back seat you have given up on is not exactly free to ignore. Deep-set stains and lingering odors tank resale value by a noticeable amount. Buyers notice smell before they notice anything else, often before they even sit down. Mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water in a spray bottle. Saturate the stain completely. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. Blot with a clean cloth and scrub with a soft bristle brush. For tougher stains, sprinkle baking soda over the vinegar for a fizzing reaction that lifts grime straight out of the carpet fibers. Clean interiors sell for noticeably more than stained ones, even when the mechanical condition is identical. If you are learning something new, hit that subscribe button now because from here the stakes get a lot higher. Number 7. Flush your radiator before it warps your engine. Mineral buildup and rust inside the cooling system is one of the leading causes of overheating engines on the road today. And an engine that overheats badly enough can warp a cylinder head. That repair stretches into the thousands depending on the make and model. A lot of drivers see the temperature gauge creep up and just turn the radio louder, hoping the problem fixes itself. Flush your radiator with a 50-50 mix of vinegar and water before refilling with proper coolant. Run the engine with the mixture circulating for about 15 minutes. Then drain completely and add fresh coolant. A simple vinegar flush costs almost nothing. The head gasket repair you are preventing costs 4 times more. Number 6. Find the real source of that trunk smell. That slightly sour smell from your trunk is probably not old gym shoes. It could be trapped moisture and mold that, left unchecked, leads to rusted trunk hinges and a weakened trunk floor over time. Most people toss in an air freshener and call it solved without realizing the moisture is still sitting there, getting worse. Wipe down the trunk liner and rubber seals with a vinegar and water solution. Leave the trunk open for a few hours afterward to let everything dry completely. The vinegar kills mold spores and neutralizes the odor at its source instead of masking it with fragrance. Number 5. Clean around your fuel injectors before they fail. Clogged fuel injectors are behind a huge number of poor gas mileage complaints. Once they get bad enough, replacement costs run into the high hundreds per injector. While vinegar should never go directly into your fuel system, cleaning the exterior injector housing and surrounding engine bay grime with a diluted vinegar solution prevents dirt from working its way into nearby seals over time. Wipe carefully with a vinegar-dampened cloth while avoiding electrical connectors. Mechanics confirm that engine bays caked in years of grime develop injector and sensor failures far more often than bays kept reasonably clean. Dirt finds its way into places it was never meant to reach. Number 4. Clean your throttle body before replacing a sensor. A carbon-coated throttle body causes rough idling, random stalling, and hesitation on acceleration. These symptoms send most drivers straight to a mechanic expecting a sensor replacement, costing several $100s when really the part just needs a proper clean. After carefully disconnecting the air intake hose, a vinegar-dampened cloth can gently wipe away the carbon buildup on the throttle plate, Let the engine cool completely first and avoid spraying vinegar directly into the opening. The engine response improves almost immediately. Most commercial throttle body cleaning sprays handle the exact same light buildup at 10 times the price. Number 3. Stop your steering wheel from cracking. Your steering wheel is coated in a thin film of hand oils and product residue that slowly degrades the material over time. Left uncleaned long enough, the surface cracks, and a steering wheel replacement runs a few $100s depending on the vehicle. Apply a light vinegar and water mixture to a cloth, never sprayed directly onto leather or vinyl. Wipe the full surface gently, then follow up with a leather or vinyl conditioner. Over 70% of interior wear complaints mechanics hear about trace back to surfaces cleaned with the wrong products for years before any damage became visible. Number 2. Free your power windows before the motor gives out. Window tracks collect an unbelievable amount of dirt, dust, and grit over the years. That buildup causes power windows to grind, stick, and eventually stop working entirely. Window motor repairs frequently run over $300 once a mechanic gets involved. Spray a vinegar and water solution along the rubber seals and tracks. Work it into every crevice with an old toothbrush. The compacted grime breaks down without damaging the rubber, the way petroleum-based cleaners can over time. Ignore a grinding window long enough and it stops moving entirely one cold morning. The shop finds nothing wrong mechanically. Just years of compacted dirt jamming the track from end to end. Number 1. The habit that ties every trick together. Your entire car, bumper to bumper, is constantly exposed to road salt, exhaust residue, and environmental grime that slowly degrades rubber seals, plastic trim, and your paint's clear coat. The cumulative damage from that gradual buildup is exactly what leads to the thousands in repairs covered throughout this entire video. A regular wipe down using a properly diluted vinegar solution, focusing on seals, trim pieces, wheel wells, and any undercarriage areas you can safely reach, prevents the slow accumulation that causes every single problem on this list. Over 70% of preventable car repairs trace back to neglected routine maintenance rather than sudden mechanical failure. Vinegar is one of the cheapest and most effective tools for staying ahead of that neglect, costing pennies compared to the hundreds or thousands those repairs eventually demand. Combine this habit with everything else on this list and you are looking at a car that runs better, smells fresher, and saves you thousands over its remaining life on the road. If you found these 15 vinegar tricks helpful, hit subscribe and let us know in the comments which one surprised you the most. Want to keep your car running like it just rolled off the lot? Click the video on screen right now for even more tips that could save you hundreds down the road.